work day today. Pluie and Kurt are sick. Yay! They're both quite under the weather. Even though Pluie doesn't seem to be that bad yet, but his nose is runny and he's coughing and stuff. And Kurt's the one that's like sneezing like crazy. First he was coughing and then that went away and now he's sneezing. So, not sure where they got sick. They get sick everywhere. I think there are a couple sick-ish kids at the party, so that may have been it. Are you feeling okay, little one? Are you brushing your hair? No? Oh. Okay.
Of it almost being done.
I think you're in the thick of it.
The sore throat's all gone.
So I've got one sneeze snot monster here. And another little snot creature here. Lunchtime. Little man is eating cheese. Is it yummy? Yeah, yummy. So it is snowing. What do you see? The rain and the snow? That's snow on the ground. You may see, yeah, snow. Buildings. The windows are wet.
Well, it's practically a blizzard. Yeah. This is the issue. He doesn't have any gloves on, but I put the gloves on him and he like takes them back off. Are you pooping? You can't be pooping. We're at the playground. Pluie, how do you feel about this weather? Can you talk to the camera? Oh, I see. Uh-oh. He's the only one out here. Actually, I don't think he's been out here with the snow yet. He's been out here with the rain, but he hasn't been out here with the snow. You're no bigger than that garbage can, buddy. No bigger than that garbage can. And that is a day in the life of Pluie. Decided to come into the car. Of course, he's flipping out because he wants to be outside. So we got the next best thing. Open window. Is it warmer in here, buddy?
What are you up to, little man?
Oh. I think I just dislocated my shoulder. Buddy, help me locate my shoulder back. It hurts, buddy. It hurts. No, just kidding. Here, buddy. Yeah, that's what I need.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what I need. Yeah, that's what I need. Oh, yeah. Okay. Shoulder not dislocated anymore.
You're so weird.
Huh?
You just tried to get the hugs.
Yeah, that was a nice hug. Oh, yeah. Nice hug. Nice hug. Thank you, buddy.
Oh, yummy.
Sound kind of mucusy, buddy. Are you okay?
His chest?
No, I can hear him breathing like.
Darn it. He's sick.
What does that mean?
He's congested, like you were, right?
Oh, we're all both congested. I don't seem happy.
Oh, you want your words? Is Daddy gonna do your words?
Oh, okay. Let's go do some words. Over here, buddy. Let's do some words. You think this is healthy? It's like a drug or something.
He loves them. It's his favorite part of the day.
All right, buddy. Here you go. Find that. Find. Can. See. Could. Six. Could. Uh-huh. Do. Yes, yay.
Yay.
Some. Oh, some, yeah. Is that before, over, before. All right, that's it. I have to stop before you're bored, or else you don't want to do it again.
No.
I have to stop. All right, here's another one. One more. Let's do one more. Big. That's ride. F. Where'd you get F from? Did you see F on the TV?
Is there a dog on that card?
Oh, is there a dog on the card? Yes, look. Arf.
What a smart creature.
Arf.
You saw the dog on that
yeah,
card.
you saw the dog.
Ooh. You look like you have a helmet on your head.
I do?
Yeah.
It'd be interesting to see what that looks like. Because I had my hoodie on.
It's a little after 9.
Yeah, probably gotta get ready to go to bed.
True.
I was hoping that maybe I'd read some more in this, but that's alright.
We did our second live stream.
Yep,
It went okay.
went fairly well. No
No.
viewers though.
Nobody saw it.
But felt a little bit more comfortable in front of the camera.
Maybe because nobody was watching.
That's the weekend. That's a weekday.
My chair creaks a lot when I move on it.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure there's a reason for that, but I'm not going to say.
Kurt! Yeah, I want to hear what you're grateful for. I know
Well-
you're sickly, so I'm sure you don't feel very grateful for a lot.
Grateful that I'm feeling better, and grateful that you took out the recycling, so I didn't have to do it.
Aww. That's so nice.
It was great. And that we got Chipotle today.
Oh, yeah, we had Chipotle for lunch.
You said I looked like I didn't want it? I was like totally
He
confused.
sent me to the store to get snacks.
And
and
came back
then-
with Chipotle.
I came back with Chipotle and I walked in, or I got into the car, and then he was like looking at me like he didn't want what I had in the bag.
Yeah, I was totally
He was like confused.
I was like, what
I'm
the?
like, shit, maybe he wanted chips instead. I
Yeah.
thought he would have loved to have Chipotle.
Yeah, it was great. Then I was like, where's there a Chipotle around here? It's like, where did you go?
I'm thankful that we got through our work day, came home, had dinner,
Yeah.
and despite Pluie being as sick as he is, crossing fingers, he seems to be overall in a cheery attitude.
Yeah, he seemed pretty happy. He did wake up there a little while ago, but I just gave him his bottle back and he fell back asleep. So.
I'm wondering if he's going to be feeling congested.
Yeah, like he can't breathe, so I'll have to put him out here, and then he'll freak out on that walker.
Maybe you're going to have to put this thing away because he freaked out yesterday.
I came out last night with him, and he's like, and then I moved it because I figured, he's not gonna go to sleep with that in front of him.
Yeah. He was better.
Yeah.
Oh.
And then he was up a couple times there, but then he finally fell asleep.
Okay. Man, I hate to be so annoying, yawning all the time, but
Yeah, I'm pretty tired though.
tired.
But I feel tired because I took my pills.
PM pills.
Yeah. Alka-Seltzer PM.
All right. Good night. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, Pinky.